back again for another taste test video on the beach of Guarujá.
The beach is Astúrias.
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 The city is Guarujá.
The city is Guarujá.
Yes. Hey, I've been speaking English all my life, so
you were
forgive me.
doing very well.
Okay. So, what we got right here is
Pera.
Pera.
Yes.
Pera looks like a baby.
Baby pearl.
No, it looks like a baby pear.
Pear.
Yeah, pear.
Okay.
Like bear. Okay, so we got this. How do you eat this?
We eat with peel.
Oh, with the peel.
With the peel.
So you eat it whole? Just
Yeah, we bite and yeah.
okay.
And inside have a little seeds. We don't eat the seeds.
No, you can't have the seeds.
Yeah.
Now, do you have this like with a dessert or a juice here?
In Brazil, we eat fruit every day, and no matter what the time is.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner,
Every
piece of fruit.
Yes.
Okay. Now, in the stores, do they sell that like singular or in a bunch, or you just pick which ones you want?
Singular or inside the little boxes.
Okay.
You can buy how many
Okay.
you want.
Okay,
Yes.
so it sells singular. Okay, that's cool. Now in America, our pears are way bigger than those. Is this the only size they come in?
Yes.
Okay, so they have little teeny, cute little pears here. We got the big ones, and we have, well, you know, the pears, I guess a few of them are from America, but a lot of our pears are Asian pears. And
Okay.
yeah.
Here we have biggest pears, different kind of. I think we have 3 kind of pears
Okay, three
here.
kinds.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is one of them.
Okay, so let's split it open, see what it look like. Half for you, half for me.
Okay, do you want I cut with the knife?
Yeah, half for you, half for me.
To be fair.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm not gonna be the only guinea pig on this rodeo. While she's getting the knife, this is the beach. And I'm actually here for a lot of self-care, relaxation, vacation, and to get away from the coldness of America. It's December the 11th, and we're out here in shorts. Some people don't even have shirts on, but hey, it's nice and warm. It's not sunny, but here we go. All right, what we got?
Okay.
Yes.
Side.
Oh yeah, those are some tiny seeds.
Yeah, see the tiny seeds and
Yeah, so you know what I always say about the seeds.
no, you bite.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
What I always say about the seeds, save the seeds.
Save the seeds.
Save
Yes,
the
you're
seeds.
right. He always tell me
I
save
like-
the seeds.
Save the seeds. So, yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna save the seeds. So, since you're the guest, you get the first bite, and let me know.
Me the first?
Yeah.
Oh, he tried to escape. Okay.
I hear the crunch,
It's crunch.
crunchy,
It's soft,
soft.
sweet.
My favorite word.
Yeah.
Next to free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a lot of water inside.
Not a lot of water. Okay.
Like a apple, we eat and you feel the water. Okay, your turn. Dun, 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 dun. Tell.
The skin is tough. Skin is it's like eating paper.
Eating paper?
Yeah, paper. Like
Paper.
line paper, like in school.
Okay.
It's not that sweet.
It's not that sweet, but still sweet.
It has a very peculiar taste. Almost a little bit of, at the end, like a caramel taste, but not strong, real weak. 1 to 10.
Sarah 10.
You first.
Me first? I love this fruit.
She loves this fruit, so I'm assuming.
8.
Oh, she gives it an 8.
8 because it's not that sweet, and I like more water inside.
It's
a little dry for me, for my taste.
It is dry. It does have a dry taste, texture. But in America, we're like overwhelmed with sweetness. So we kind of expect fruit to be sweet or sour if it's a lemon.
Okay.
So this fruit is actually not sweet at all. As far as sweetness, I give it like a 2.
Yeah, you're right. Sweetness is like a 2.
Overall, I give it like maybe a 4.
4 too?
A 4, yeah. And I say 4 because I wouldn't be hunting for this. I'm not going to go to the store and say, ooh, I got to have another one of those.
Yes, I knew it. No, obrigada. I knew it.
Yeah, so if it was on my plate for breakfast, I would eat it. But would I go hunting for it in the store?
No.
I had pears in America, and I'm not saying they're American pears, but they were a lot sweeter than this. A lot sweeter. But there you have it for the baby pear. It's a 4, and it's a baby pear, and I'm being very generous with the 4. Now that first thing we had, that tangerino, whatever that was.
Today?
Yeah, the orange one, the little teeny orange.
Nectarina.
Nectarina. I keep calling it a tangerine because it was orange, but the nectarina, that passion fruit. Unless you have it in the drink, maybe with juice and some sweeteners, this would be the bomb. All right, it's your boy signing off. Next videos that you see, we will be doing some tours of Mecca City. What's it called?
Guarujá.
Guarujá. But we're supposed to be going back to Sao Paulo.
Yes.
And we're gonna go to the big mega store where all the fruit and vegetables.
Mercadão.
Yeah, we're going there, and from there, I will be getting exotic fruits, stuff that I've never eaten before. I'm gonna get stuff that I've had before and do some comparison to see how it tastes against American, and what we do to our food. So stay tuned for those videos coming up shortly after this one. Of course, right now we're live, but by the time you see this, we won't be live. You're gonna see the recording.
Yeah.
All right.
Subscribe, share. Bye.
Thumbs up too.